Intense Shine and Protect is easy to use. Spray a light mist on a clean microfiber towel. Spray a light mist on a small section of the vehicle. The soaps and emulsifiers break down, absorb, and dissolve light dust and dirt, including road grime. It can then be safely and easily lifted off and removed. Can be used on paint, glass, plastic, and chrome. Now, taking a clean microfiber towel, you're going to buff that finish to a brilliant shine, leaving behind a super slick hydrophobic surface that can protect your vehicle's paint for up to 6 months.